Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't transfer files to your PC. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I connected my Android phone to my computer using a USB cable and found the files I wanted to transfer, but when I tried to transfer them, it prompted, "The requested resource is in use," or, "This device is inaccessible." Now the phone can only charge, but cannot transfer files. How to fix an Android phone that won't transfer files to PC. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you encounter the problem of not being able to transfer files from your Android phone to your PC, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. USB cable problem. The solution is to replace the USB cable. If your Android phone can only charge or not charge at all when connected to your computer, and cannot transfer files, the USB cable you are using may be faulty. The problem of the Android phone not transferring files to the PC can also be affected by the USB cable. Therefore, to rule out the USB cable problem, please try replacing it with another USB cable. After replacing it, try transferring data again. If it can transfer normally, it means that the old USB cable is faulty or does not support file transfer. Cause 2. Incorrect selection. The solution is to select the correct option. On some Android phones, when you connect to a PC using a USB cable, a dialog box will appear to set connection options, such as charging only or allowing file access. If you select the charge only option at this time, it means you cannot perform any file transfers. To solve the problem of not being able to transfer files from your Android phone to your PC, simply disconnect the connected Android device. Then reconnect it using the USB cable, and then select Allow File Access. This will allow your Android phone to transfer files to your PC. Cause 3. Device malfunction. The solution is to restart the device. When an Android phone has been running for a long time, it may lead to software malfunctions. These software malfunctions may affect the Android phone's operation, and may cause situations where you can't copy files from the Android folder to the PC. To troubleshoot this problem, you can try restarting your Android device. Restarting can clear these software glitches and allow your Android device to run in optimal condition. Therefore, please try restarting your Android phone. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off your Android phone, wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it's a temporary software glitch, restarting your phone will help eliminate the problem. Finally, try transferring the files again. Cause 4. System version issues. The solution is to update the system. An outdated or vulnerable system can also cause the inability to send files from your Android phone to your PC. Android developers periodically update the Android operating system, so this problem may have already been resolved in a newer version. To fix the issue of your Android phone not transferring files to your PC, please try updating the operating system. You can update your device by following these steps. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap the System or Software Update option. If an update is available, the system will prompt you to download the software. After downloading the update, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then restart. Finally, test again to see if you can transfer files normally. Cause 5. Computer or hardware problems. The solution is to have it checked. When there is a problem with the hardware on your computer or phone, it can prevent you from transferring Android phone files to your PC. In this case, you can only take your device for inspection to see if there are any problems affecting the transfer. If there are no problems, you can also take your phone to a repair center to see if they can help you transfer the data you need. Alternatively, you can try transferring files using an SD card. Transfer the files you need to the SD card, and then transfer them from the SD card. However, this requires you to have an SD card and meet the transfer conditions. This can also solve issues with transferring files from your Android phone to your PC. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix Android phone won't transfer files to Windows PC issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.